This brisket recipe is from the official The Marvelous Mrs. Maisel's Instagram page. It's tangy, a bit sweet, with a nice bite, and incredibly tender. Hi guys, I'm Madeline here at Lakeside Table, and if you've never seen The Marvelous Mrs. Maisel, you're definitely missing out. And if you are a big Mrs. Maisel fan like I am, you definitely want to hit that subscribe button because this whole recipe and video is a tribute to her and her amazing brisket, which, if you've seen the show, you know plays a huge part in the first episode of the first season. So take a look at the ingredients. You can see this is not a difficult recipe to make once you get your ingredients out. The first thing you want to do is cut off as much fat of your brisket as you can. If you are baking a brisket without a sauce, you could leave the fat on and then you could just pour off the liquefied fat and peel away the cooked fat. But since we're making this in a sauce, you want to take off as much fat as possible because you don't want your sauce to be greasy. Definitely don't want that. Heat a large skillet on medium. Add 2 tablespoons olive oil and cook the onions until they're golden brown and caramelized. Then add the garlic and cook for another 3 minutes. Remove these from the pan, then brown the brisket. This should take about 3 minutes per side. While your brisket is browning, preheat the oven to 350 degrees and whisk all the remaining ingredients together in a bowl. After your brisket is browned on both sides, take it out of the Dutch oven and remove all the excess fat with a paper towel. Pour the sauce into the pan, increase the heat to high, and deglaze the bottom of the pan. Then place the brisket in the sauce, cover with a tight lid or tin foil, and bake for 3 hours. So I made this guy last night. Made the house smell amazing. So we didn't have to wait for this guy. But when yours is done, go ahead and take it out of the oven, let it rest for at least 15 minutes, and then take it out of the sauce, slice it, and then put it back in your dish, and you're ready to go. Serve your brisket with a side of roasted or mashed potatoes and green beans, and get ready for a night of binging with the Marvelous Mrs. Maisel. This recipe does not disappoint. And a huge thank you goes out to the producers, the cast, and the creators of Mrs. Maisel, and whoever posted this recipe on the Instagram page. This has been a great family favorite of ours. So thank you so much for hanging out, guys. If you like this recipe, stick around for some more videos, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. And I'm gonna be chowing down because this is so tender. Oh my God, you're gonna love this.